Sage ERP Accpac Inquiry lets you create custom reports quickly and easily. On the Inquiry menu, you can start with a template to create a new custom query, then save the query and reuse it later. This can save you a lot of time if you often run similar or identical queries. In this video, you'll learn how to save a query as private, so only you can use it, or as public, so anyone with authorization can use it. Say you're a sales manager and you've created a query that shows all invoices posted yesterday. You can run this query every day to generate a new report on the previous day's invoices. After creating this query, click Save to open the Save Query window. Your query is automatically linked to the data source for the template or saved query you used to create this query. For this example, the data source is AR customers and transactions. Type a name and short description for your query. Next, choose whether you want your query to be public or private. If you save it as public, anyone authorized to view the associated data source for the query will see a link to the query on the Inquiry menu's Save tab. If you save it as private, no one else will see it on the Inquiry menu, and no one but you can view, modify, or delete the query. Let's make this a private query. When you're finished, click Save. On the Inquiry menu, the query appears on the Save tab for AR customers and transactions. Because you saved it as private, only you can view, modify, or delete the query. Suppose you want to make your query available for everyone authorized to use the AR customers and transactions data source, but you still want to keep a copy for yourself that nobody else can change. In this case, you can save two versions of your query, one private and one public. You've already saved a private version, so all that's left to do is to save the public one. After you save your custom queries, they'll appear on the Inquiry menu. To see them, select the data source, and then click the Save tab. To open a query, click the link. You can also open a saved query by clicking the Open button in the Filters area. In the Open Query window, select a data source to see all the saved queries available for that data source. To open a query, select it here, and then click Open. After you've opened a saved query, you can continue customizing filters and results in any way you want. Click Submit to run the query. Or print or export a report with your query results.